The application includes a variety of features for customizing your charts, so even the most complex charts will communicate a clear message. In this video, we'll look at the graph layout feature, which allows you to select graph styles, customize the chart layout, hide a series, and add or remove panes. Before we begin, a quick reminder that in the application, we refer to the graphic representation of each series in a chart as a graph. There are 3 ways to access the graph layout settings. You can click on the button here, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L, or right-click on the chart and select Graph Layout from the context menu. From here, you can manage the appearance of your chart. On the left is a list of all the series from the document that you can add. On the right, you can see which series are currently being displayed, the order they are displayed in, and what graph style is being used. At the top of the window, you can choose from a list of graph styles. To change the style of a series, click on it, and then select a graph style. If you have a number of series listed under one graph style, the drop-down list is an easy way to change all of them at once. Check Alt Scale if you want the graph drawn relative to the alternate scale. Changing the layout of the graphs can also improve a chart. For example, in this chart, it would be better to have the area graph in the background and the line graph on top. To change the order of the graphs as they're presented, drag and drop each one into the right order. The graphs are added to the chart in the order shown, so the last series will be added to the chart last and positioned on top of the other graphs. Only time series shown in the Graphs section will be visible on the chart, so if you don't want a series displayed, simply remove it by selecting Delete from the context menu. Visualizing a series more than once and applying a different graph style can help you to emphasize a particular point in the data. All the series in the input list on the left can be added to the chart multiple times. In our case, we can for instance highlight the area graph by adding the same series as a line graph. Drag Industrial Production from the left to the right panel and place it under the line style. If you want to display these series separately, add a new pane. Select from the predefined pane layouts here, or adjust the panes manually by dragging them up or down.